chapter. Hey there, fellow traveler. Glad you could join me. This RV of mine has been a worthy and faithful road buddy 9 years now. Dependable wheels, comfy corners, and has created more adventures and stories than I can count. But the time has come, time for some TLC and add a few new tricks to help bring you on the adventures. Not to change her, just to make the journey a bit smoother and maybe share more often in a very interesting way. So I added a few thoughtful upgrades, nothing fancy, just enough to keep the lights steady, the coffee hot, and the miles rolling easy. Think of it like polishing a good pair of boots. Same style, same comfortable fit, just a new shine. Now she's running great. New expanded solar panels soaking up the sun. Repairs and upgrades are complete. And best of all, you're coming along for the ride. So grab a mug, settle in by the fire, and let's see where this road takes us. Sunshine, storytelling, and a bit more spark. You know, the sun and I are on pretty good terms these days. That new solar setup, it's a dream. Quiet, steady, dependable. No more flickering lights or late night battery checks. No more worry about cloudy days not fully charging the batteries. It's not about luxury. It's about freedom. Freedom to park where your heart says, this is the spot. And the battery storage system got a little love too. Bigger batteries for storing long-lasting power. 3 times the capacity of the old batteries, which means no more fear of cloudy days and not completely charging. This solar system upgrades got me covered. Last time I ran out of power, I was in the middle of Texas, midsummer, with temps hovering around 100 degrees at midnight. Generator was down, and I was at the very least depending on solar to keep the fans blowing. Solar was minimal then and died after just a few hours. That was my sign it was time to upgrade. So yeah, now we're set. Lights glow, coffee brews, fans blow, and life under the stars just got better. That's the reason for the overhaul. The need to stay comfortable and provide power when needed without running the generator in remote locations, and so I can continue to bring you along for the adventure. Quiet power and the sound of peace. Next up, the generator. Not just any generator, this one whispers. Seriously, it's quieter than a cotton ball hitting the floor. Keeps everything running smooth without drowning out the night sounds. No need for yelling across the campsite. Just peace, steady power, and the crackle of the fire taking center stage. Between the solar panels and this quiet champ, I'm ready for whatever the road throws my way. Rain, shine, or a moody thunderstorm. I've got power and peace in one neat package. This baby has remote start, can run on either gas or propane. Here's a big thanks and shout out to my buddy Chris of Southern Red's RV doing all the upgrades and adding a few extras tricks. Now, I have seamless switching from generator to solar or switching to full shore power. It's all done for me automatically without my having to do anything. That's my kind of upgrade. Can't get any easier. Command Central and with a wink and a wire. Okay, I'll admit it. I went a little techie, built a little command center, added a DVR system that I connect to my live streams. It can juggle a bunch of DVR cams strategically placed at any location I'm at. With Starlink internet setup strong enough to share a sunrise from just about anywhere. Your adventure just got better, and when a view takes my breath away, I want you to see it too. This setup lets me share those you had to be there moments in real time. The fog, the firelight, the laughter, all of it. Because the best adventures aren't staged, they're lived. The campfire connection. Now this one's my favorite because all the gadgets and upgrades mean nothing without the people, the community, you, me, and everyone who pulls up a chair. See, the whole reason I did this was connection. So we can swap stories, laugh together, and share a bit of that road magic. I like to imagine us all around the same fire, roasting marshmallows, arguing about who burned theirs worse. That's the spirit of it, turning miles into memories, strangers into friends, moments into stories we'll tell again and again. So when you tune in, you're not just watching, you're part of it. And there's always room for one more chair. Behind the scenes and down the road, Don't think this is the end of the journey. Not even close. These upgrades, they're just the start. I'll be sharing the behind the scenes stuff too, the wins, the oops, and the lessons learned with a grin. Because the fun's not in perfection, it's in the adventure. And honestly, your feedback and your laughter, that's what keeps the wheels turning. So stick around, my friend. The coffee's still hot, the tank's still full, and the next stretch of road, wide open and waiting. Let's go find the next story together. If you want to be a part of the live stream adventures, join my stream at twitch.tv/whatsupgramps. Also, please check me out on youtube.com/whatsupgramps and show some love. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you see. As always, I'll see you when I see you.